इधर है देखो डाउन साइड में ऊपर है। तो ये
सीन पेरंजोर में
वर्ल्ड का थर्ड लॉन्गेस्ट वॉल है ये। जैसे ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना है, सेकंड है द वॉल ऑफ कुंभलगढ़ फोर्ट। सर महाराणा प्रताप का किला उदयपुर इन राजस्थान है, एंड थर्ड इज दिस। सो इट इज 12 किलोमीटर्स नाउ, 13 किलोमीटर लंबा है। इट्स राउंड और पैलेस जगत फोर्ट and beyond the Jagat Fort is Nargad Fort. So there are 3 forts. So this is not a fort, this is palace. There are difference between a fort and the palace. The fort was built for defense and the palace built for living, the queen and king. So to go palace में जाने के 3 रास्ते हैं. There are 3 ways to reach the palace. First by walk, second by elephant. Elephant riding, you can go Elephant Village.
Oh, Elephant Village.
Village is 2 kilometers from here. 207. King Kokildev. King Kokildev came from Dosa and attacked the Minas. So Minas lost the war. Then Kokildev stabilized his dynasty Dosa to Amber by the name of Kachawa. So
12th century.
Yes, 12th
Okay.
century to till. We have also king.
Oh, okay.
Savai Padmanabh Singh. But
Okay.
if we talk about this palace, so this palace was built by King Man Singh. King Man Singh was real founder of this palace, and he was commander of Akbar's army of the Mughal Empire.
Okay.
First Man Singh, then Jai Singh first, then Jai Singh second. So it took 137 years to build. After then you can see Arauli Hills. So Arauli started Gujarat, and it ended Delhi. You know, President Bhavan, Raisina Hills, so उसका यहाँ पे end होता है. Then King Jai Singh shifted his capital Bombay to Jaipur in 1727. So 3 rulers only ruled here. Man Singh, Jai Singh first, Jai Singh second.
Okay.
ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करता
जवाद अख्तर, बाजीराव मस्तानी, नहीं पढ़ना, अजीत पढ़ना.
Jantar Mantar,
We went.
Museum, and Hawa Mahal.
Hawa Mahal.
Tomorrow we'll go tomorrow.
So first day.
Yes.
Yes. ஓ அது எல்லாரும் அங்கே பார்த்துட்டு இங்கே வருவாங்க போல.
Now Jaipur city is divided into 4 parts. First Amber, second Pink City which is Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, and third New City which has new IT units also.
Okay.
And third, fourth around the Jaipur villagers, गांव के लोग.
Okay. இப்போ நம்ம அங்கே இருந்தது தான் நைட்டு.
1 2 4 hold on. तो पूरा बकरा 4 साल्ट ना मसाला डालू क्या?
नहीं.
Temples in this village, but one mosque you can see, because you know a famous queen Jodhabai, Akbar's wife, she was from here, Jodhabai. So this was Akbar's in-laws house.
Jodhabai is daughter of?
Bharmal. Bharmal.
Okay.
Bharmal was Hindu.
Okay, he is from here?
Yes.
Okay.
But Akbar was Mughal, a Muslim. So Akbar's in-laws house. This.
Yes, we saw the house built by Akbar for Jodhabai and with the Lord Krishna temple inside in Agra.
Yeah.
We went there 2 days back.
Connecting the dot.
चल
गला जो है मैं वहाँ ना.
आइए चले जो इधर हम बेलपुरी हम रुक जाए. क्या?
Come.
Last option है.
So you can see a lake So this is artificial lake. And middle of the lake, that is saffron garden.
Oh, saffron garden?
Yes. So King Jaising here wanted to grow saffron, but you know climate of Jaipur is not good for cultivation saffron because saffron cultivated in cold areas
Yes.
like in India, Kashmir and other chilly areas. So when King Jaising didn't get success, then he decided to here aromatic in flower plants here.
Oh,
And there is a light and sound show. You can see a chair,
yes.
sitting arrangement. So light and sound show every day in evening. First English show 7 to 8, then 8 to 9 Hindi show. And अब देख लो metro lights. So इस पे project होती है. Green, blue, red. Continue जैसे music चलता है ना. According to music, change lights.
Okay.
It's called Ravanatta.
Ravanatta.
Yes, it's made by bamboo and half cut of coconut. So you can see it's called Ravanatta, a local traditional instrument. You can see, ma'am, this is local instrument of Rajasthan. It's called Ravanatta. It's made by bamboo, so this is bamboo. Then here you can see coconut, half cut coconut.
Coconut on
So now we playing Bollywood song. You can imagine.
No, we don't
We
know.
don't know the song.
Every day elephant is coming from this lake. Every day.
Elephant park.
Yes, morning.
Okay.
மார்னிங்ல எலிஃபண்ட் இப்படி தான் வருமா? எலிஃபண்ட்ல போனா போலாம். மார்னிங்ல எலிஃபண்ட்.
So you can rest here.
What's the name?
Ambir. A-M-B-E-R. But now B is missing. It's called only Amir.
Amir. Oh.
Amir is a Muslim word also. Because Akbar was Akbar's in-laws house.
Okay.
This palace this included in UNESCO
Oh.
World Heritage Site in 2013. So you can see there is no big buildings, there is no big construction because we can't make big buildings here. We can't build because if we make building, so इसका value खत्म हो जाएगा palace का. Elephant village is there. You can see forest. So there are 120 elephants from this way.
Okay.
Jeep. You can see jeep.
Okay.
Same jeep. Same government jeep.
Oh.
So this is our hospital. Every local public, common public work here only. Guide, include guide, jeep drivers, the hawkers, painters. 90% only dependent on this land.
పాల్కోవా కొత్తగా పాల్కోవా వరకు
ऋतिक एंड ऐश्वर्या
ఓకే
उनका शूटिंग हुआ था इधर वीर पद्मावत जोधा अकबर बाजीराव मस्तानी
ఎస్
बॉलीवुड मूवीज
సో ద పద్మావత్ మూవీ ద లైక్
JCC
జైసీస్
where you can see cultural dance, cultural activities, Rajasthani folk dance, folk music, and other activities. Free of cost, no charge. is known as Jaleb Chowk. So Jaleb is an Arabic word which means army parade ground. So that time this square was built for army parade. And king used to watch army parade from there. King sit there and used to watch army parade. You can see big gate. This is Sun Gate. That time royal family used to enter from the Sun Gate. And you can see another gate, a Moon Gate. For public, common public used to enter from the Moon Gate, Sun Gate and Moon Gate Chowk for army parade. You can see so that time soldiers used to keep in the soldiers. गिरानी रखते थे.